Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in downtown LA. Got Jumpman LA right here. Mentioned that, hey, nobody really comes here, dude. I swear to God, I'm the only customer here. They got some pretty dope PEs right here. The OG PE right here. Bradley Beal has his own PE. Got some Tatums, Zion 3s right here, and Luka PEs. As well as some UCLA PEs right here. That colorway is pretty freaking fire. Yeah, they got a little bit of everything for UCLA, huh? Okay. And of course they do have pretty much every Jordan here. So many mids and lows to start with. I had no clue they had this many colorways of the Tatums. Holy cow, we've seen most of those. I don't think I've seen those right there. And then every Jordan release that's released recently, I got them. Those of you guys that are new to my channel, we've been here quite a few times. This is a Jordan flagship store. The first store is run by Footlocker. They do have a second and third story. Those are run by Nike. And then one of my favorite spots right here, they do have stuff on sale. This is run by Footlocker, so they will do their 70% off here and there. Not everything is 7% off, but they will do that promotion here and there. And they got stuff for pretty cheap sometimes. $92 down to $70. Slight sale. Got these sweats right here. These are $88 down to $57. I don't see any crazy sales today. Yeah, $78 down to $50. Got a few more things on sale. I think this is like the women's section right here. Okay. Jordan t-shirt right here. $37 down to $30. Not the craziest sales today. That kind of happens because this is one of the flagships, so gonna see a lot of stuff for regular price. Once in a blue moon, you will be able to find some huge steals. Some tights right here, $55 down to $20. Okay, is this the We the Best? Is that from the We the Best collection? Maybe not. Yeah, $65 down to $20 for those shorts right there. So got a few steals in the women's section. Okay. I've seen most of the 38s. These are the 38s right here. $200 down to $190. They have quite a few different colorways. Most of them going for $2. Last colorway they got right there. But I don't think I've ever seen these right here. These are the 38 lows. And these are pretty dope. I kind of like these more than the highs right there. Or the mids. Yeah, these are interesting. The pattern is very similar, but I don't know. To me, it looks like a totally different shoe. Definitely interesting. But yeah, these are down to $175. I've never even seen these at most spots, and they have so many different colorways here already. 3 different colorways. All right, let's move on to the retros. Got some comfort, some highs. Are these on sale? Yeah, these are $140 for those. Got some highs, some lows, some mids, some comforts, and then they got the real treat ships right here, right? The airships. Haven't seen these at too many other spots. I know some of you guys have mentioned these. $140 for these bad boys. The 2 responsibility. These have been here forever. I'm surprised these aren't on sale yet. I think these have been on sale. A lot of spots not here though. I got the gray right here as well as the black cements. We've been seeing a lot of this on sale. A bunch of the other stores, but not here. The pythons right there. Got the craft 3s, which I'm a fan of. Also have the green glows. And then these, they must have gotten a restock on these. The midnight navy. These are clean as hell. I think I passed on these, but these are clean. $2 for those. Fear 3s right here. Burgundy 5s. Olive green 5s right here. These are PSGs. These are the PSGs. The PSG 6 lows. This one's hella dirty. Got the ochre 6s. $150 for these. Okay. I was wondering if these were going to be on sale. White infrared 7s. Got pair of the 9s I just released. And like I said, somebody in the comments said, hey, these are like really good quality. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. And I know that they tend to be pretty stiff. I know the midsole is hella stiff as well, but I don't see the good quality. I don't see it. 11 low IEs for 140. We've seen those cheaper at some other spots though. Oh, this matches my Lakers gear. Okay. 13s and 14s right here. I am a big fan of these right here. Suede. I have a love-hate relationship with suede. Suede's such a pain in the ass to clean, but looks and feels just so dope, dude. Then, of course, they got some of the signature athletes. Got Lukas right here, the Luka 2s. A few different Zions. And I showed you guys earlier, they do have a ton of Tatums. Dang. Do got women's Jordans. Do got kids Jordans as well. And this is a kids exclusive. I've never seen these. What the heck? Never seen these 12s right here. Colors are pretty wild. Do got the Gratitude 11s in grade school. Neapolitan, the women's. That's a pretty interesting find. Man, what's up with all these dirty shoes, man? What the heck? What the heck? Were these a women's? I never realized that. Were these a women's release? They got the Lucky Green 5s right here. These are freaking clean, dude. Especially if you're an Eagles fan or Celtics fan, that would be fire. Then again, in the women's, you got an Airship that I've never seen. Denim Airship. Never seen these bad boys. These are what, 140? 140 for these, okay. Do got a chic right here. They open at 11 though, and it's only like 10-20. Let's go hit up this Footlocker right here. Since I did come from Jumpman LA, start with the Jordan section. Everybody got these ones on sale. These are highs, man. Highs for 140. That ain't bad. AJKOs for 100. These are all, or mostly, oh yeah, these are all canvas. Canvas right here, going for 100. 574s. This is their Cordura. I think that's some sort of coating that they put on their suede. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, man, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. The 990s on sale. Wow. There's certain sneakers that you rarely ever see on sale. 990s are definitely one of them. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Like 175 down to 150. Then another one of these 574s. I really like these 574s. And if you see stuff cheap here, you might be able to get them to match the price. If they don't have your size here, you might be able to get them to match the price out of Jumpman LA, because they are both owned by Footlocker. Got a couple of 6 rings going for pretty cheap. Comfort's going for pretty cheap as well, 110. And then look at this, $80. $80 for that one right there. And this is their new Air Max right here. Definitely interesting, doing something way different. Apparently there's actually some tech behind it, saying that it's a dynamic airbag and it's supposed to be a little more responsive. I don't know, I haven't tried one of these. Kind of curious to see how they feel. The look, I'm kind of whatever about the look. These are 160. I'm a big fan of this colorway right here. It does match a lot of my Lakers gear, so I am a fan of these. These are the Gill Zeros, normally 150. And then look at that, 150 down to $70. These are the crazy ones. The OG Kobe's right here. Okay. This ice blue, is it ice blue colorway? Kind of interesting. And they got this one as well. But just be patient if you want stuff like this. They'll go down eventually. Anything without tons of hype going down. Got Iversons. Keep showing these because such a good deal. They're such a good deal. And then these the Shaq Attacks or the Victories? The Victories, right? $80 for those. And $30 for the Adelaide 2 slides. Make sure you guys wear these before though, because I got a size 11. All my slides are size 11. These did not fit me. These didn't fit. Came out to Little Tokyo. Damn! Someone gave me a free hour? What? What? I drove about a mile in Little Tokyo now. Dude got one of the bigger shoe palaces, and I guess they're really pushing these new Air Maxes, huh? They're really pushing these. Okay. They got a whole display workshop type of thing just for those. And I am a huge fan of the arcade right here. Free arcade. If you want to play some Marvel vs. Capcom. It says sale, but isn't that the regular price? $240? Yeah, I was surprised. I don't know what's going on. Do got these. Have not seen these at too many spots. And I'm gonna be honest, I do think this is pretty freaking dope. I like the LeBron 2's #1, and then I do like the animal print and stuff like that. Just a little too flashy for me, but I think this looks fire, dude. I think it does look dope. Ain't cheap though, $250, definitely not cheap. And then a lot of Shoe Palaces, they've had the LeBron 21s on sale lately. In this spot, they did get the Dornbeckers, and you know, the Dornbecker foam posits didn't really move like that. They probably have smaller sizes, but it's definitely worth checking up on if these are a pair that you want. Definitely not cheap at $250 though. And I've showed this spot quite a few times. They do get all the Dornbeckers, and they didn't really sell out that quick. So they do got some, and I think this one's from like an older, yeah, the Dornbecker 18 collection. So yeah, so they still have a few. We saw some on sale like a while back. That was kind of crazy. And then do see all kinds of dunks, even dunks on sale. The dunk highs on sale right here. I haven't seen this colorway in quite some time. Did they re-release these again? Guess so. Okay, $115 for those. And these were hot as hell for forever, and then now they're readily available. $115 for these as well. I don't know about this one. This is kind of interesting. They got like 1 million colorways now. 1 million colorways. I think the hype has definitely died down, but they have a bunch of different colorways. I don't think I've seen this one either. Oh, is this an SC or something? Got tumbled leather, and $125 for these. Okay. They do have a nice little Jordan section here. I don't see anything too crazy or too unusual though. I am surprised to still see these. These are what, the green beans with that 3M on top. Definitely surprised to see these. Still going for $2 though. But I've been showing that Shoe Palace, they do have the white infrareds on sale for $140. Jumpman LA, they didn't have these, the OGs, the Jordan 1 low OGs with that cracked leather on it. And the 13s, I don't think I saw those at either of the Footlockers. Oh, and they got Jordan 1 highs right here on sale, $130 for these. I think these are $130 as well. And then they got the Skylines. Definitely surprised to see these, $100 for these bad boys. Most places don't even have them. They got it for $100. We've been seeing these pretty much at every Shoe Palace. Well, whichever ones have them, down to $80, $80. They are showcasing their sales items right here. Do got some Forces on sale, $70 down from, what are these, like what, $110, $115 or something like that? And then I did forget to show these Hirachis going for $50. And then these Air Max ones, I've showed these several times, and I'm a fan of these, dude. I am a fan. 270s on sale right here, some olive green colorway right there. And then these anthracite foam posits, I know these haven't been available at most spots, so pretty dope to see those here. Then in the women's section, do got the Jordan 1 high reverse lanies, $100, dude, $100 freaking dollars. And they do have the satin breads. I don't feel like going all the way up there, but yeah, those have been what, $130 or something like that, so not too bad. More Air Max ones. This is a women's size 7.5 right here, $80 for those bad boys. Air Max 97s, $100 for those, $130 for the Vapor Max. Air Force Ones, technically not the triple white, but are people gonna notice? People gonna notice? They look like the triple whites. Go for $80. Does have black on the tongue, but you know, you get it for $30 cheaper. Like, are people gonna know that big of a difference? I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Less than half a block away from Shoe Palace. Is that a record store? I haven't seen a record store in forever. They got vinyls and stuff. Okay, okay. All right, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Got plenty videos coming. Yeah, thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Thanks for making it to the end. See y'all.